आपको मिलने के लिए है, याद रखिए आने वाले 23 तारीख के दिन
दरिया राजा दरिया राजा।
कांग्रेस पार्टी नेतृत्वहीन है, उनके पास दे हैव नो लीडरशिप, दे हैव नो प्रिंसिपल्स, नो पॉलिसी, नो प्रोग्राम, नो विजन. Nobody believes any of this fake narratives that Mr. Kejriwal tells.
Hello and welcome. I'm currently in the North Mumbai constituency of Maharashtra, and joining me on this edition of Jab We Met is Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament and heavyweight in the Modi cabinet, who's now hoping to become a Lok Sabha member from this constituency. Piyush Goyal ji, welcome to Jab We Met. How are you doing, sir?
Very
How's
good,
the Josh?
very good. Hi, sir.
Hi, sir. How difficult is it, sir, typically for a Rajya Sabha heavyweight Modi Sarkar Mantri to now be in the electoral heat and dust of May Mumbai?
There cannot be a better moment in life than actually going to the People's Court and getting their verdict directly. So it's really absolutely
But
fun,
as a Rajya
joyous.
Sabha member who usually is negotiating trade deals, are you a bit extra anxious and nervous?
Not at all, not at all. In fact, it's been such a lovely experience that my own sense is going forward, I would only like to be in the Lok Sabha, not at all get into the Rajya Sabha.
So Piyush ji, Arun Jaitley was your political mentor of sorts, right? He didn't have a good Lok Sabha innings. Is that something that weighs on your mind?
Not
because
at
you
all.
also
I'm a Mumbaikar, and the love and affection that Prime Minister Modi is receiving, the blessings of the people of India are beyond imagination. When I'm going out onto the streets or traveling in a train or doing my campaign trail on the Rath, the Namo Vijay Rath as we call it, the outpouring of affection, the outpouring of enthusiasm is truly beyond imagination. Yesterday I did a series
Piyush, as a prominent minister in the Modi government, you have the ability to move resources, nudge people to do things. What's your plan for this constituency of North Mumbai?
Well, the Honorable Prime Minister has taught us to think big, not to compromise with small vision. And therefore, I think we'll bring some really big initiatives to this area. We'll be able to fulfill the aspirations of the people of this area. For example, when I first came in here, there was a lot of clamor, and I realized that they don't have a good medical facility. From Palghar to Andheri, there's not a single place where one can go for good medical treatment. So I started scouting around, and we are now in a position that we've been able to get a commitment and announce a 1,000-bed hospital. We'll have a 1,000-bed hospital in Uttar Mumbai, serving a population of nearly 60-70 lakhs spread over 3 constituencies. And that'll be multi-speciality. Kaise hai, Gopal ji? And these are the kind of big initiatives that I think that can make a difference.
Piyush Piyushji, those who track Maharashtra politics will say that you picked literally the safest seat in all of Maharashtra for yourself. That this 70% is the starting point where you start this election from.
We don't make these decisions, that's for the party to take. And whatever the decision of the party is, we follow it as Karyakartas.
Does that give you extra comfort that the starting point is 70? Now it's about what you can do with the base that you get?
Well, I'm here to serve the people of Uttar Mumbai, and with the love and adulation that Mr. Modi is getting across the country, I think any seat would have been safe.
One of the hallmarks of this campaign is that you've got BJP jhandas and you've got RPI. I saw Ajit Pawar's faction. We saw Eknath Shinde's faction. Their people are all there. How seamless has been?
And Maharashtra Navnirman Sena.
So how difficult or easy is it to bring so many different people who fought for so long?
An absolutely seamless campaign. We didn't for even a single day find any difficulty in getting everybody together.
Piyushji, large tracts of land in your constituency are slum areas. What's your plan to be able to rehabilitate those slums?
The Modi ki guarantee talks about rehabilitation of all slum dwellers by redevelopment of their homes into good quality housing. So we are very committed, get all the people together, help them under the slum rehabilitation program, get new homes in the place where they are living in situ, and make sure that all of them get a good high quality home.
पीयूष जी, आपका ज्यादातर टाइम स्पेंड होता है दुनिया भर के ट्रेड मिनिस्टर से फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट्स निगोशिएट करते हुए, राज्यसभा में लोगों से बात करते हुए। ये कहां आप तंग गलियों में, छोटे छोटे गांव में, कीचड़ में, हाउ डू यू लुक एट दिस?
इसको आप इस तरीके से मत देखिए, ये हमारे पुराने गांव हैं, यहाँ लोग रहते हैं और वर्षों वर्षों से रहते हैं। तो ये तो परिस्थितियां ऐसी हैं कि शहर और देश बढ़ते गया और इनके लिए पर्याप्त अवसर नहीं मिले। मोदी जी के आने के बाद आज इतनी सारी योजनाएं चल रही, आके 4 करोड़ ऐसे ही लोगों को मुफ्त में घर मिलाना, और उनका इसी के कारण आज पूरे देश में लोकप्रियता देखिए, 80 करोड़ लोगों को मुफ्त में अनाज मिल रहा है। ये सरकार जितनी संवेदनशील रही है गरीबों के प्रति, उतनी शायद इतिहास में आज तक कभी कोई सरकार इतनी ज्यादा गरीबों के कल्याण के काम किसी और सरकार ने नहीं किया। और मेरा भी रोल, चाहे वो वस्त्र मंत्री के नाते, उद्योग मंत्री के नाते, नए अवसर दिलाना, देश में औद्योगिक निवेश ज्यादा बढ़े और भारत आत्मनिर्भर बने, किसानों को सही मूल्य मिले अपने आउटपुट का, अपने उत्पादन का, और 80 करोड़ लोगों को मुफ्त में समय पे देश भर में अनाज मिले, ये मेरी प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी।
आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं। पीयूष जी को जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
Piyush, there's been a lot of talk in this campaign that the 2024 Lok Sabha elections is less national, more local and regional elements are also there. That is not just about Modi, there are some local caste and regional factors.
On the contrary, I find this election much more national than any other in the past. They are totally looking at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, his performance of the last 10 years, and very clearly, I'm going around the whole constituency. Occasionally they may raise one or two local issues, but when you ask them whom you're going to vote for, it's Prime Minister Modi.
You would have seen how the Supreme Court's given interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal, and he's now coming out and saying that the BJP is actually asking for votes for Amit Shah, that next year Prime Minister Modi is going to retire and Amit Shah will become PM and Yogi will be changed as CM.
Nobody believes any of this fake narratives that Mr. Kejriwal peddles.
कमल 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 विकसित भारत की निशानी है कमल 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 युवाओं कमल 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 पूरे भारत की निशानी है कमल कमल मोदी सरकार मोदी सरकार आगे बढ़ो हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं आगे बढ़ो हम तुम्हारे साथ पीयूष गोयल आगे बढ़ो हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं जय भवानी
Piyush, you've also been treasurer of the BJP. After the Supreme Court's verdict on electoral funding, how has the financing of this election changed relative to what you were planning?
As far as the BJP is concerned, we do not accept donations except by check and through banking channels. So we are, it has not impacted us at all. The idea behind electoral bonds was more focused on supporting the opposition parties.
What's your plan for the green area, given that there is a concern that the BJP pushes development sometimes at the expense of environment and nature?
Absolutely out of the question. Environment is very precious to us. Whoever gave you this narrative is completely wrong. The enhancement of environment and environment related policies has been the highest during the Modi government.
As we speak to the players in Maharashtra politics, the one question that gets asked often is whether the BJP top brass overestimated the electoral strength of the Eknath Shinde Sena. That somehow they seem to be the weak link in the NDA over here.
I think very clearly what I am saying is that the Sena is intact and only Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, his son and a few fringe elements have left the Sena and become a splinter group. We are very confident that Eknath Shinde is the true heir of the Sena legacy, given the fact that Mr. Uddhav Thackeray has compromised on all the principles of Balasaheb Thackeray. He's given up on Hindutva, he's gone and sat in the lap of Rahul Gandhi, something which Balasaheb Thackeray must be very pained to see, particularly when Balasaheb Thackeray had consistently held that he would rather wind up his party than ever compromise on the principles of Hindutva or join hands with the Congress.
You concede that while in the Lok Sabha elections, the image of Prime Minister Modi is a big factor, by the time it comes to the assembly elections at the end of the year, the BJP would have a real tough battle on its hands.
I don't think so. In fact, this election will do probably better than last Lok Sabha election. And I'm very confident that once again, this Mahayuti will be elected to power in the assembly election.
Sharad Pawar is now talking about the smaller regional parties, including his own, potentially merging back with the Congress. How do you look at that sentiment and statement?
Well, very clearly, Mr. Sharad Pawar has conceded defeat. This was said soon after the Baramati election, which reflects that he has accepted that what our assessment is that Sunetra Pawar will win Baramati is a reality.
कोई दाग नहीं है कमल के दामन में, इसलिए वोट मांगने आए आपके आंगणा रासप आरपीआय महायुतीचे मनसे महायुतीचे उमेदवार श्री पियुष गोयल यांना प्रचंड मताने विजयी करा.
तुझ्या परिवारात
बॉलिवूड स्टार रेस्टॉरंट कमळासमोरचं बटन दाबून
पीयूष जी, जो मछुआरा समाज है यहाँ नॉर्थ मुंबई में, उसके लिए आपका क्या प्लान है?
जो कई सारी योजनाएं, जैसे आप मोदी की गारंटी में देखेंगे तो सबसे अधिक भारत के मछुआरों की चिंता की गई है. मछुआरों के लिए कई सारी विषय के ऊपर बड़े विस्तार से प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी की गारंटी में लिखा गया है और उस पर हम काम करने जा रहे हैं.
Piyush ji, we are currently at a beachhead here in Malad West. At one level, it's very beautiful. There's a lovely, gentle breeze blowing. At another, it's strewn with plastic and bottles. As MP, is that something that you'll be looking at, or you'll say, "ये तो BMC का या ये MLA का है, मेरा क्या काम है?"
We'll be making sure that we clean it up. It's a beautiful, pristine beach. It's a very, very pristine, good beach and has tremendous tourism potential.
Off-tangent question: is it hot under that hat?
No, not at all. In fact, I feel very proud when I'm wearing that hat.
What are the trends you are picking up? There is some sense that the BJP, after the phase one, was very concerned about drop in voter turnout, and that's something that spooked the top BJP leadership ki log vote dene itne kyun nahi aa rahe?
I think that's only a narrative that some of the media friends were trying to peddle. The fact that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has pan-India popularity and the people of India trust him is giving us a huge response across the country. We are going to sweep the northeast, going to sweep the north and western parts of India. We will emerge as the single largest party of South India and the NDA will cross 400 seats.
अभी भी आप एनडीए 400 बोल रहे हैं, बीजेपी वाले तो बोल रहे हैं कि अब 370 बोल के उल्टा ही पड़ गया.
कौन बोल रहा है मुझे नहीं मालूम.
I'll tell you.
I have talked to all the prominent pollsters and the leaders and everybody confirms that all trends are showing that we will cross 400 seats.
सर, ये तो मैंने बॉलीवुड में देखा है. दिस इज पीयूष गोयल्स बॉलीवुड अंदाज.
Not at all. It gives me a convenient way to reach out to my constituents and cover the constituency. I'm trying to meet everybody across the North Mumbai constituency.
So this little three-wheeler has many advantages if you're in crowded by-lanes in the chawls and villages of North Mumbai, because I've traveled in big buses, jeeps, jongas. This is perfectly fit for the kind of area you have to campaign in.
That's right, and my Sarthi has really been a wonderful friend. He took me around in Borivali earlier, and today we've come to the Koli village.
Sir, आपका क्या नाम है?
मेरा नाम है रश्मिकांत मोदी.
अरे आप भी मोदी निकले.
मेरे को मोदी पूरा बोरीवली कांदिवली मलाड सब मोदी समझता है.
सर, आप पीयूष जी जैसे मिनिस्टर जो कि सीनियर मिनिस्टर है यूनियन में, उनको मुंबई में आउटसाइडर की तरह देखते हैं या आपको लगता है कि ये यहीं के हैं?
आउटसाइडर की तरह तो नहीं देखते हैं, वो अपने देश के ही है.
पीयूष जी, मैंने बहुत कैंपेनिंग देखी है देश के अलग अलग हिस्सों में, इस तरह से 3 व्हीलर में मैंने कभी कैंपेनिंग नहीं देखी. दिस इज यूनिक टू मुंबई.
अब अगर आपको हर वोटर तक पहुंचना है तो जो यथासंभव साधन है उस साधन को हमने इस्तेमाल किया है.
Piyush ji, you would have seen in the social corporate circles of Mumbai, there's a lot of speculation कि 4 जून के बाद क्या होगा, किसको क्या मिनिस्ट्री मिलने वाली है.
We are all कार्यकर्ताs of BJP and that is not our bother at all.
Piyush ji, we've seen how the likes of Kamal Nath, Sharad Pawar brought extra development to the areas to show, देखो बड़े मिनिस्टर को बनाया तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. Is that something you're hoping to do as well?
मैं उस दृष्टिकोण से नहीं देखता हूं और मोदी की गारंटी में लिखे हुए सभी विषयों के ऊपर मैं प्रामाणिकता से काम करूंगा.
In the work that you've been doing, Piyush ji, what's your unfinished agenda? Apart from the trade deals which are still in the works, what is it that you think is low-hanging fruit which you really hope to get done if you get another opportunity?
Well, I think there's lots of things that has been done and lots that is in the pipeline. They say when you cross a mountain, you only find that there are many more mountains to conquer ahead of them.
क्या बात है, philosophy and a little bit of poetry thrown in as well. Do you have time at all to think about all of these things? It's only go, go, go.
No, of course I read a lot. I keep educating myself.
These are the local Shiv Sena Shakha Pramukh who are welcoming Piyush Goyal in this Koli Samaj village. सर, आपको बुरा लग रहा है कि आपकी पार्टी के नहीं?
हमें बहुत खुशी है, ये हमारे ही है.
ऐसी रिपोर्ट्स आ रही है कि सिंपैथी उद्धव ठाकरे जी के साथ है.
कौन बोल रहा है ऐसा? गलत बात मत करो. हम मोदी वाले हैं, हम शिंदे वाले हैं, हम राज ठाकरे वाले हैं, हम महायुति वाले हैं. नरेंद्र मोदी साहेबांचा, एकनाथ शिंदे साहेबांचा. वल्लभ रे रामा, वल्लभ रे अम्मी डोलकर 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 दरियाचा राजा. अम्मी डोलकर 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 दरियाचा राजा. तन पाण्यावरी.
सर, क्या क्या करना पड़ता है लोकसभा का इलेक्शन?
नहीं, बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. आई एम गेटिंग टू लर्न द कल्चर. और ये गाना डोलकर 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 दरियाचा पानी, ये हमने स्कूल में सीखा था. ये मेरे बचपन की यादें याद दिला रहा है और ये गाना मैंने शायद कई दशकों बाद आज गाया है.
Piyush ji, there's drying fish, there's that stench. Is all of this really an effort to show your critics who are saying candidate को fish की smell पसंद नहीं है? Is this to answer?
अरे आप लोग का इतना पुअर रिसर्च डिपार्टमेंट है राहुल जी. आपको अभी तक ये नहीं मालूम कि वो फेक न्यूज थी. ये मैं पहली बार हूँ कि मैं पूरे मछुआरे इलाके में आज आया हूँ. वो जिस जगह का जिक्र किया था वो तो मैं आज तक गया नहीं हूँ.
इस बार हम देख रहे हैं कि डीप फेक वीडियो हो, फेक वीडियो, there's a lot of this fakery going on in this election.
हाँ, अमित भाई के ऊपर फेक वीडियो निकाला, प्रधानमंत्री जी पर फेक वीडियो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से निकाला. तो ये तो दुर्भाग्य है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी नेतृत्वहीन है. उनके पास दे हैव नो लीडरशिप, दे हैव नो प्रिंसिपल्स, नो पॉलिसी, नो प्रोग्राम, नो विजन. एक प्रकार से हताश हो गई है कांग्रेस पार्टी. और अब क्योंकि उनके पास ना नेता है, ना नेतृत्व है, ना नीति है, ना नियत है कुछ करने की, जनता उनको इतना बुरी तरीके से हराएगी कि पिछली बार जो थोड़ी सीटें आई थी उससे भी आधी से कम सीटें रह जाएंगी.
Piyush ji, what are you looking forward to most once your campaign and voting in Mumbai ends?
Well, we'll get back to work. Whatever the party will direct me, I'll be continuing that from the 21st.
Surely you factored some downtime, chill, relax. Huh?
I don't think so. हमारे को मोदी जी ने डाउन टाइम और चिल टाइम सिखाया ही नहीं है.
Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Pleasure having you with me on the campaign trail.